Like, it's a really awesome program for people who are underrepresented in a lot of these fields, including STEM and communications. And I just liked how the PUC is giving back to the community in this way.
It's a great program with great leaders, with great opportunities and mentors.
I love the internship. I will come back again because it's taught me so much about how other professions work, how to be professional in a workplace, and it's allowed me to network with so many people, and it gave me so many brand new experiences, like being here at Hetch Hetchy.